Arizona B is for Bulldogs, 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 Bulldogs. Arizona ready for the coronation. She's royalty and comedy, a cruise nation. The other girls they cry, wala nang makipeg, but I do it so good, cause I'm what? Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me? Brandy shark, 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 shark. Brandy shark, 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 shark. Brandy shark, 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 shark. Brandy shark. Drag Race Philippines, will you sing it with me? Arizona B, B is for Bulldogs, B is for Bull, B is for Beautiful. Arizona B, B is for Buffed, B is for Blessed. Blessed and busy. Are you feeling to be fantabulous? Sa shade we still marvelous. Nabagas na dito ko ang matibo pa nila. Pag sinabi kong gawa, bakla bilis. Ecstatic, fantastic. Lalakad ako sa Entantra. So far? If so, this opportunity may be for you, maybe for you, maybe for you, you. Arizona B, B is for Vegas, Monax. Thanks. Arizona B, B is for Bulldogs, B is for Bull, B is for Beautiful. Arizona B, B is for Bulldogs, big job hair, very good. B is for Mario. Arizona B, B is for Bulldogs, 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 Bulldogs. Arizona B, B is for Bulldogs, 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 Bulldogs. B is for branding, yes, that's the branding. This song is popping, I wanna go boom boom booming. I'm taking the dazzling, and no, I ain't bluffing. I'm blazing up, I'm beaming out, and that's on me. It's Arizona B, baby.
Lakasan niyo pa! Lakasan niyo pa! Nayayanig ang Onyx Super Club! Give it up for Arizona B, Kiana, Hannah Beshi, the HOB Queens, and the Cebu Queens!
Is for Bulldogs, 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 Bulldogs. Arizona ready for the coronation. She's royalty and comedy.
Ayan, may message po si Madam Arizona para sa lahat ng katauhan.
Kanang! Wait lang. Oy, Cebu, this is the first performance of Arizona B. Here sa Cebu, first performance of Arizona B this 2026. Cebu! Kayo lang una makakaalam nito. I promise, pagbalik ko dito, may bago akong kantang ito. Title? Sabihin ko na yung title? Arizona C. C is for Cebu. Gusto niyo ba ng Arizona B Bisaya version? Arizona B. B is for Bisaya. Bisaya. Saka, sabayan niyo sa Bisaya. Arizona B. B is for Bisaya. 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 Kanang Arizona ready for the kanang coronation. Pinsan yan! Seba! Shagit o kusog? Wait lang. Ang isasagot doon is Viva, Viva, Viva. Tama? Isa pa. Shagit o kusog? Viva, Viva, Viva! Labas nyo na ang baso, bumili ka na ng yelo. Ang amas ko today ay ako ang matatalo. Tuwing ako'y nakikita, lahat sumisigaw na what? Pinsan nyo, sabak! Gusto nyo ba ng Arizona bonding in Cebu? Ang dami kong pinasok eh, no? Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone! Maraming salamat!
Thank you so much. Now let's get to know our queens one by one. Harap, sa harap, starting with our Cebu queens. Twinkle!